Hey, Bud. Psst. Come here.
Who? What, me?
Shh.
Who, me?
Right. I got a terrific picture here to show you.
You have a picture to show me?
Right.
Oh, let me see it, sir.
Okay, feast your eyes, 'cause here it is. How about that? Huh?
Oh.
A picture, a beautiful hand-painted picture of elephants.
Elephants?
Shh.
Elephants?
Right.
Oh, let me see. Hey, I don't see any elephants in that picture. Oh, I see a tree there, and I see some leaves and birds, but I certainly don't see any elephants in that picture.
You don't, huh?
No, no.
All right. Tell you what I'm gonna do. If I can show you 4 elephants in this here picture, if I can do that, then will you buy it for 1 nickel?
Will I buy it for a nickel?
Right.
Will I buy it for a nickel?
Yeah.
Oh, you bet I will, because
All right.
there are no elephants in that picture.
Okay, step a little closer and I'll show you. As you will notice, there is 1 elephant. There's 2 elephants. There's 3 elephants. And there you got your 4 elephants.
Hey, wow, it really is a picture of 4 elephants.
Right.
Gee, that's great. Hey, here's your nickel, and thank you very much.
Anytime, kid.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play this trick here on old buddy Bert. Oh, matter of fact, here comes Bert now. Hey, Bert! Bert, come here. I got something I want to show you.
Hey, look at that picture, Ernie. Hey, it's a picture of 4 elephants. You notice that? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's great. Oh, I'm sorry, Ernie. Hey, what do you want to show me?
Nothing, Bert.